The early United States Supreme Court considered Congress's authority to wage undeclared war in Bas versus Tingy. Despite France's significant assistance in America's War of Independence, relations between the two nations deteriorated quickly thereafter. By the mid-1790s, French privateers began attacking American merchant ships. But despite the conflict, Congress never declared war against France. In 1798, Congress passed a statute that provided that any American public armed ship that retook a captured American cargo vessel would be entitled to a prize of 1/8 the recovered ship and cargo's value. A 1799 statute also provided that a captured American cargo vessel entitled the rescuer to 1/8 the value of the ship and cargo. However, this provision only applied if the vessel was recovered from the enemy within 24 hours of her initial capture. If the cargo vessel was recovered more than 96 hours after her initial capture, then the rescuer would be entitled to half its value. A French privateer captured the American cargo vessel Eliza. 3 weeks later, the public armed ship Ganges, commanded by Captain Thomas Tingy, retook the Eliza and her cargo. Tingy then brought an action under the 1799 Act seeking an award of half the value of the Eliza and her cargo from John Bas, the Eliza's sailing master. Bas responded that Tingy was only entitled to 1/8 because the use of the word enemy in the 1799 Act required a formal declaration of war. The Circuit Court disagreed with Bas and awarded Tingy half the value of the Eliza and her cargo. Bas sought a writ of error in the United States Supreme Court.